Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Government borrowing changes two things fast, the real interest rate and private investment. Watch this quick chain and you can lock the right option confidently. When a government borrows to finance a deficit, it enters the loanable funds market as an extra borrower, which raises overall demand for available funds in the economy. That higher demand shifts the loanable funds demand curve to the right, so the real interest rate rises as borrowers compete harder for the same pool of saving. Because private investment is interest rate sensitive, the higher real interest rate discourages firms from borrowing, so investment falls, pointing straight to option D. Well done! Option D wins. Scan now, watch signs, avoid rush. Trust given relationships, and check each step so higher rates match lower private investment.